We are Harmony School of Nature. In our classes, I like in our engineering class and in our other classes, I encourage teachers to practice sustainable education. So we're trying to solve sustainability issues. We're trying to use less paper. Roots and Shoots is a program developed by Jane Goodall, the naturalist and biologist, and it is a program to increase nature education and STEM education in schools. Ms. Schott, who's actually one of our high school English teachers, is bringing the program to the school as an academic as a club. And then I think we can add it to our curriculum as a class in the future as well.